Yo, new trainer today. So I'm back again with another big one, guys. So the last video guys I made was the Yeezy 350 Ash Pearl. I showed you guys how to lace them up in a different way and on my feet too and how they look. Today we're doing something similar but different, you know. What we're gonna do today basically is I'm gonna show you guys how to apply your sole protectors onto your Yeezy 350s. And before we get to the video, guys, make sure to go follow me on my Instagram at GingerPaisa, on my main account. Go follow my friend Joksans 1999 for new content, and also follow Nutrition 420 for new content for YouTube, guys. Let's get right into the video. Let's do it.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Okay guys, as you can see, I have the items right here. Got the Yeezy 350 Ash Pearls, you know. Look at that shoe, beautiful shoe. I love the colorway, not gonna lie. I really like how it looks. And what we're gonna do is, see the sole down here, guys? We wanna protect that as long as we want, and we don't want it to get yellow. So what this does right here, guys, the sole protector right here, that we got right here, from Sole Protectors, you can follow them on their Instagram, is that this protects your shoes up to 30 wears up. So let's say up to 40 wears or 50 wears. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to apply these because they're kind of hard, not gonna lie. And last time I messed up, and this time I'm gonna do it the right way, guys. Let's get to it. Okay guys, I have the sole protectors out already. Shoes right here, ready for use. Also we have our heat gun, which we don't need a heat gun. Got my blow dryer right here, so that's good. And the first step to it, guys, is we got to, okay, don't make this mistake. Don't have them at the same time, so do it one by one. Have one right here, and put the other one to the side to do it later, because I messed up the other day, and they went all over the place. So, we grab this, we peel it out, peel it off.
Seven hours later.
Finally, got this. Woo! Alright. This is off. And this should be is the right side. Bet. So this is the right side of the shoe. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna start warming it up for you guys. So what we do, we warm it up. So the stickiness heats up and gets sticky enough so it gets attached to the shoe. So this is the right shoe I'm doing right now. Let's get it. Touch it a bit to make sure how sticky it is, but not too crazy. Just kind of tap it. It's getting sticky. But it's pretty sticky now. Did that for like about 30 seconds. Pretty sticky. So now what I'm gonna do is grab my shoe. Okay, got the stickiness on there already, and start placing it like that. Okay, and just fix it up, make sure it's at the same shape of the shoe. Hours later. Oh, there we go, guys. It's perfectly on there now. Looks good. I like how it looks. And as soon as you feel that your shoe's secure and it feels like it's right, grab your blow dryer again and start pushing this down. So grab it. Okay, see how it looks. Grab this and start getting the sides. And push it down with your hand. It's going to be really hot though because of this blow dryer. and start molding into the shoe. Molding into the shape of the sole. I'm molding it. Look at that, how it molds to that shape that you want. I'm gonna turn this off now because it's already heated up. So now I'm just gonna mold it to the shoe. So just mold it to the shape of the shoe. Look at that, it's molding into there. I can like literally feel the ridges of the shoe, how it feels. It's really hot, heated up. And I'm only going to show you how to do this one time with one shoe. And I'm hoping you guys got the process. And I'm going to put it on the other shoe. So I got to show you the final results. Getting molded. One more time. And this is how you do it, guys. Show them final results, guy. Show it like this, right? Can you see it? Beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice and sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see it from the side, but look at that. See how that came out? Molded it onto the shoe, and it looks really nice now. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I got the left and the right. I did both of them, and here are the final results. Look at that, guys. You can see the detail. It also got like kind of like grip tape underneath, so you won't fall and bust your shit, I guess. And you can see the detail on the sides too, of how the protector looks. You see it right there. Oh yeah. Hopefully this protects it for like 50 wears or more. You know. Alright guys. Well, thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I tell you guys how to place your sole protectors onto your Yeezy 350 V2s, Ash Pearl. And make sure to go follow me on my main account at Ginger Paisa. Also, go follow Neutron420 for new content, and go follow my friend Joksans1999 for good vibes only, guys. Go NutriFam, and thank you for watching.